is epidermis and guard cells. You know, inside the plant, at the outer surface of plant cell, plant tissue or plant organ, there is a single layered protective layer, made up from single layer of cells, and this protective layer is further referred as epidermis. Here you are observing a layout of this epidermis cell. In this you are observing that the cells of epidermis are barrel shaped, and this is made up from single layer of cells. In between the cells you are observing there is an arrangement of two bean shaped cells. When these two bean shaped cells arrange at their concave side, then they form a complex opening, and this complex opening is referred as stomata. This is stomata very important in plant, because stomata meant for gaseous exchange, because you know during photosynthesis O2 is formed, that's supposed to ooze out with the help of stomata, and from the external environment CO2 supposed to get in with the help of these stomatal pore. So stomata are very important because of gaseous exchange. This stomata, the formation of stomata with the help of bean shaped cell, is taking place in dicot plant, and in monocot plant the stomata are made up from dumbbell shaped cells. Remember, in monocot plant stomata are made up from dumbbell shaped cells, and in dicot plant stomata are made up from bean shaped cells. What is the difference between monocot and dicot? Monocot plant actually full form is monocotyledonous plant, and dicot plant are what? Dicotyledonous plant. In a short term they are referred as monocot and are also referred as dicot. What is the difference between monocot and dicot? You know, plant develop from seeds. A seed further made up from three parts, and these three parts are radicle, plumule and cotyledon. A seed made up from three parts: radicle, plumule and cotyledon. Further, roots develop from the radicle part of the seed, shoot part, aerial part develop from, and the supportive structure that provide them energy, that provide them food material for their further development is what referred as cotyledon. Cotyledon, when you study in your book, it is also referred as seed leaf. Seed leaf or cotyledon are contain food abundant, store food amount in them. So when radicle or plumule further develop, they require energy, and this energy is further fulfilled by the cotyledon that is a part of that seed. So now come back to the point. If a plant is supposed to have only one cotyledon in them, then such type of plant is referred as monocot plant or monocotyledonous plant. And further, if a seed contain two cotyledon, then such type of plant is referred as dicot plant or dicotyledonous plant. So this is the additional reference, because I told you earlier the epidermis, if epidermis containing stomata that are made up from bean shaped cell, they are present in dicot plant, and if the stomata made up from dumbbell shaped cell, they are the example of monocot plant. So guys, this is what the type of epidermis and the guard cell that are forming a complex opening stomata. Thank you.